Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute and counting.
If I could, I'd read your mind, make you happy all the time, 'cause I get so tired of losing.
For how long?
2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes and counting.
So the next thing I like to use my Apple Watch for is a way to track my steps. So since I don't own a treadmill and I really don't plan on spending $2,000 to buy one soon, I just like to walk around my house. So I literally just do laps around my mom's room, and I watch YouTube videos while I'm doing it, and I get in about 5,000 to 6,000 steps before I start work. Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
So I'm just getting work done, but today's a very slow day. But if it was a little bit busier, I actually like to use my Apple Watch to see what's on my calendar for the day. This is something I used to use a lot more pre-pandemic as well as when I was in college, but basically you can see what you have to do next on your calendar. Pretty much what it does is that when you have to leave for something, it'll like vibrate on your wrist and tell you that like you have this event coming up. But like I said, I haven't really had a need to use this because we're in a pandemic and we're not really leaving our house. So another pretty great way that you can actually use your Apple Watch is to get notifications. So this is something that I kind of made false for the video. I actually always have my Apple Watch on Do Not Disturb because I hate getting like constant text notifications. I'd rather just not see them. I'm kidding. Well, kind of. But yeah, so if you really like getting notifications, the Apple Watch is perfect for that because it's just a little light vibration on your wrist. So you can get notifications from pretty much anything that you get notifications on your iPhone from to your Apple Watch. So let's say I want to check CNBC. You can get breaking news for CNBC notifications on your Apple Watch, as well as other news sources, apps, literally anything you can get notifications for. So along with app notifications, you can also get notifications for your text messages, and then you can also get incoming calls to your Apple Watch. So when you get text messages, you can actually reply directly on your Apple Watch. I personally do not pretty much like ever use this. I really never use it. Sometimes I will actually answer phone calls from my Apple Watch if I don't know where my phone is, but I very rarely make use of the text messaging feature, but it is a really nice feature to have if you're ever in a pinch and you need to reply somebody really quick.
To rewatch the videos, but I am very excited for today's beverage because today we're going to be having the sugar-free white wine. Yoga!
Hey y'all, so I'm done with work and I'm about to do a workout. So obviously with the Apple Watch, one of its main primary functions is that it is a fitness tracker. And that is actually what I use it for most of the time. As you saw, I like to get my steps in. I like to get in at least 10,000 steps a day, usually about 14,000. But I love using my Apple Watch for fitness purposes. So with your Apple Watch, you also get Apple Fitness Plus. It is a paid subscription program, but you do get it free for a month if you haven't tested it out yet. Or if you have a new Apple Watch, you get it free for 3 months. And I actually did a review on Apple Fitness Plus, which you can check out by clicking the eye up here. Probably not going to do one of their workouts. If you saw my video, you know why. No, I'm just kidding. I just really don't feel like looking at my phone screen because the screen is really tiny and it kind of strains my eyes. So either I'm going to go outside, probably not because it's cold, or I'm just going to do some sort of like YouTube workout. I haven't officially decided yet. Start a new kickboxing workout.
Okay.
Excuse the trash lighting, but I'm actually about to start editing this video. As you guys just saw, I opened up my MacBook with my Apple Watch. It's actually pretty easy to set up. All you have to do is go to System Preferences, and then you go to Security and Privacy. And then you just want to make sure that this is checked on there. But yeah, so that's actually going to wrap up today's video just because I'm literally about to start editing this and I don't really use my Apple Watch for the remainder of the day. Let's do one last rings check to see how I did for today. Closed all my rings today. Let's go. Burned 642 calories, 48 minutes of exercise, and then I also hit my stand goal. I just don't feel like scrolling down. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing what I use my Apple Watch for. Like I said, I primarily use it for fitness, and as you can tell, I just really like being able to like track my fitness. I feel like this is a pretty realistic way to use your Apple Watch. You don't always need a ton of apps to use your Apple Watch. Sometimes I do use sleep apps at night. If I feel like sleeping with my Apple Watch, it usually happens accidentally, but I do have them on my Apple Watch just in case I do fall asleep and then I forget to take my watch off. I don't really, as you can tell, use any sort of other applications specifically for the Apple Watch because I find them usually to be a little bit gimmicky and I can do them a lot faster either on my laptop or my phone. This is just a very, you know, average way to use your Apple Watch. So if you just got one for Christmas, this might be how you use it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do tech tips, tech reviews, as well as tech unboxings, and I also do some other stuff here and there. Also, leave me a comment down below if you have an Apple Watch or if anything else that you want to say, and be sure to enter my giveaway that is going on right now for Google Nest Mini. It ends in a little less than 2 weeks when this is going up, but I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.